This is my plastic milk experiment where I turn milk into plastic. So our objective is to turn milk into a plastic substance, all these milks, by using acids and a vinegar at 5% and the orange juice at 15% acidity level. Our objective is to turn milk into a plastic substance by using acids in the vinegar at 5% acidity and in the orange juice at 15% folic acid. So our hypothesis is the fatter the milk content, the harder the plastic will be. Also, the higher acidity level, the harder the plastic will be. So whole milk and orange juice should be the hardest substance. Okay, so our materials, we have 1 whole milk, 1 soy milk, 1 2% milk, or 1% milk, and some skim milk, or no fat, I think, fat-free milk. And then we have our orange juice, way over there, and distilled vinegar at 5% acidity, and a bowl, which we have way back there. And we have our strainer also, right behind the fat-free milk. Okay, first you need 1 cup of milk, and then you need to heat it until it's heated, but or it's hot, but not boiling. So is this heated up yet? Okay. So then you pour it into this thing, this pan. And then you wait until it's warm. So then you pour the milk into this big bowl, or into a big bowl. Put like 4 teaspoons of vinegar in there. Let's see if I can do this without spilling it all. Oh, it smells terrible. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. And then you have to stir that for a minute. Ew, getting like chunky. Come here. And that's our milk right there. It's getting all chunky. I have to stir it for 1 minute. My arm's gonna get tired. It smells terrible. About 1 minute now. So now I have to pour the milk into the strainer. It's over here. I don't know what a strainer is.
In the sink.
Ow. So I put it over the sink and I just pour the stuff into it, right? Then only the lumpy chunks are in it, and it looks like vomit. There. Now you have stuff. And then once it's like cooled, it's cold, dripping. So you run cold water over it, and then you mold it into shape. That's what the paper said. Let's do that. How long?
1 minute.
1 minute?
Wow. Couples. There.
Seconds or minutes? Okay. You have to like touch it. So I have to like touch it now. Yeah, dang. It's like a liquidy, squishy. It smells bad. Is that good?
I would flatten it, I'm saying.
Oh. I thought you were like, get down low. What? Now I'm gonna do this experiment with the rest of the milks. So we did the experiment, and the fat-free milk, when I was mixing it, it all stuck together in this big patty, which makes me wonder if that one will be the best milk plastic when it hardens. So we got all the vinegar and milks done. So next we have the orange juice and milks to do, and I think it's pretty much the same process other than you put in less orange juice. Or more, maybe. Dang it! Okay, just pause it. So these were the results for our experiment. Vinegar and whole milk made this. Orange juice and whole milk made that. And then vinegar and soy milk made this thing. Orange juice and soy milk did not blob. Vinegar and 2% milk made this. Orange juice and 2% milk did not blob or anything. Vinegar and 1% milk made that, and orange juice and 1% milk had no blobificationization. And then vinegar and fat-free milk made a beautiful blob that stuck together throughout the whole thing when I was mixing it. It did beautiful. And then orange juice and fat-free milk, ... So those are the results for our science experiment.